How to set up login alerts in US Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to know anytime someone logs into your US Bank account, well, in this video I'll show you how to set up login alerts using your computer. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for US Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link, and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the US Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, just click on the login button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, on the next page, simply enter your personal ID and password to sign in your access on your online banking dashboard. And now here, once logged in, just click on the customer service from the top menu, and under the customer service tab, simply select the notification, and this is where you manage all your account alerts. So here simply scroll down and look for the security alerts, and after that you can simply click on edit or manage to customize your preferences, and there you can choose how you want to receive login alerts, whether it's by email, text message, or post email notification. And once you have chosen the option, you can just click save, and you can select more than one method for added security. And after that, you'll get the confirmation message, and from now on, you'll be notified every time someone logs into your US Bank account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.